Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update. Beast has awakened, guys. Before we continue, only few spots left for the monthly subscription. Join in because you will get automated signals with selling and buying opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and when to sell your altcoins. You will also get personal guidance and educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis. Only 50 people can join in because I want to give the time for everyone, and of course you can cancel anytime you like. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You will find the link in the description down below. You will also find the link for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe. It helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you. Let's go now to the technical analysis. And as you can see, we stopped exactly at the 1.48 around there. If you draw your Fibonacci retracement, you will notice something. From this top right here to the bottom we had on the previous video, guys, we found the 0.786 and corrected. We found exactly the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. We had it in the previous video as well. And now, if you want just to find some major support, all you have to do is to draw from the bottom to this top we formed back on the day here, 12 August. Okay, so you can see we have some major support levels. The first one is around the 1.29 to 1.27.6. The second one is around the 1.15 to 1.17, around there, guys. And of course we have the 1.03 to 1.04 around there. Okay, so anyway, of course we have, as you know already, one more at the 1 Tether USD in case we drop so far down, but for the moment we are fine. For the moment we are fine. Do not worry about it. If we drop down some further support levels, then yes, this will mean that we are not fine yet and we'll be probably going down, but do not worry for now. These are the support levels. Next resistance levels are a little bit higher around this area, guys, between 1.54 and 1.58, around there. So you can see we have this area of support of resistance levels and the 1.68 to 1.70 Tether USD. All right, so these are the next price targets and the support levels, and we will analyze it further in the price analysis. Right now, let's go to the MACD. Looks fantastic, guys. MACD looks fantastic right here. And of course, as you can see, we have the blue line going all the way up. Even if we see a bearish cross, this won't mean that we are going all the way down, okay? And if we go all the way down for the MACD, then probably that doesn't mean we will be going down as well in the USDT. If we go down, but the USDT remains stable or goes sideways, this is a very nice bullish indicator. And it tells us that even MACD goes down, the USDT price remains stable, then we expect it to go upwards. Okay, it is a very nice bullish signal, and of course right now we are nice, we are pretty fine, and we surpassed even the top formed back on 15th June, guys. So amazing run for MATIC. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame and on the RSI. We didn't have any RSI bearish divergence. That's good. We don't have yet anything because we have higher highs in the RSI, higher highs in the price. Perfectly normal. Stochastic RSI now is going down all the way because of this minor correction. Same here for the commodity channel index. It is going down even though we have some higher low pattern right there. For the RSI, the same. What we want to see here is to go a little bit down, then go up again. Okay, we need to see that for the RSI. We don't want to see a pattern going all down like this because then we will lose some important support levels. That means this is the end of this run, but do not worry. For now, everything is looking good for now, I must say. Okay, so eventually we had a very extreme risk right here. 70 for the RSI, above the 100, above the 80 for the stochastic RSI as well. You can see that, and now we are going all the way down. In these occasions, guys, we look firstly the stochastic RSI. If it goes in an oversold situation, then we are absolutely fine. Okay, in an impulsive wave, we are looking the stochastic RSI. Let's go right now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, I will just hold a little bit the Bollinger band. You can see here, if this is a start on an impulsive wave, then we will just ride the top line of the Bollinger Bands and we will go further and further upwards. We don't want this candle to be a shooting star candle, because if it closes like a shooting star candle, then we are going down. Okay, then we will have a correction. I do not know for how long or how much we will correct, but we will correct. On the SSL hybrid, let's see a little bit the SSL hybrid in case we had a selling opportunity. No, we had a buying opportunity right here, not a selling opportunity yet, but as I've told you guys, the SSL hybrid is better on identifying some buying opportunities rather than some selling ones. Okay, so we had to short our position there. If we had to short actually our position here, we would receive a red arrow. Okay, so right now everything is fine according to the SSL hybrid. On the daily we had a very extreme risky situation. You can see the RSI went above the 70 for the MATIC, and on the commodity channel index we are still in an overbought situation. Same for the stochastic RSI, in an overbought situation for now. Okay, so on the daily frame we have an extreme overbought situation. If this is the start of an impulsive wave, we are going all the way upwards. This means, guys, that we will be going right like here. We will keep our higher low momentum and we will go again upwards. And then if we do that, it's all good, guys. We are going to skyrocket. Okay, so for now everything still looks good. We had some on the daily frame, we had some very high risk, and we need to see if this will close to a shooting star candle. Okay, let's see the MACD on the blue line. You can see the MACD is our blue line, the signal line is our orange line. When the blue line is above the orange line, everything is good. If we get a bearish cross, that doesn't mean we will be going all the way down. But if we go all the way down like this and the signal line will fall, of course, then this will mean that we have a problem, especially if the price follows the MACD trend. Okay, so let's go to the MATIC Bitcoin chart. Here you will see that we have a minor correction. We have the RSI above the 70. Now it's going down. Stochastic RSI as well. Everything was in an overbought situation right here. So it is very healthy to have a correction. Okay, we need to have this correction. We need to have this in order to go upwards again. So MATIC started to outperform Bitcoin, and of course this is what we wanted, to surpass this resistance level right here. In case we surpassed it, then we made it as support level, then we had it all good. Okay, so you can see we had a very high risk. That's why we are correcting. Nothing to worry for now. For MATIC Bitcoin, the 4-hour frame, we are going on the daily frame. You can see big bullish candle, a correction. Bullish candle might be a correction. Then bullish candle might be a correction. We might be forming this pattern right here on the daily frame, although we might be getting, I don't want to get a shooting star candle right here. Okay, we want to avoid that. On the daily frame though, the RSI is not yet in an overbought situation for MATIC Bitcoin chart. That means we can grow even more. On the weekly frame, as you can see, the stochastic RSI is still in a way oversold situation. That is good, guys, for MATIC Bitcoin. That means that yes, maybe if this impulsive wave isn't over, because on the weekly frame we are still in an impulsive wave, guys. On the 4-hour frame, yes, we lost it. On the daily frame, yes, but if you zoom out on the weekly frame, we are still in an impulsive wave. And if this is not over, if we don't go down here all the way, because yes, we can go down due to the RSI and the commodity channel index being inside this gray area, but if this is the continuation of an impulsive wave in the weekly frame, then we are going all the way upwards. From here, MATIC will still outperform Bitcoin, okay, and therefore we might get a significant swing high. This is what I am waiting for. I'm waiting for to see on the weekly frame the continuation of an impulsive wave, and if it is the start, it is just the start, guys, for MATIC Bitcoin chart, and therefore this will help so much MATIC Tether USD. Of course, if Bitcoin crashes in the USDT valuation, then yes, MATIC could still outperform Bitcoin, but that doesn't mean MATIC will just continue to grow in the USDT. It will just hold maybe some important support levels, but if Bitcoin is about to crash, then of course MATIC will just have a major breakdown too, and of course it will keep going down and further down. So of course, you know already, guys, the support levels from the first minutes of the video: 127, 129, 115, 1.03 to 05. Of course, we just hit the 1.48, then we went down for the price label. Next resistance levels between 1.55 and 1.57, and the 1.68 to 1.71, the next price targets for MATIC. But we first have to make the 1.48 as a support level. If you want to minimize the risk, then yes, make this a support level to go to the next target. Okay, so you would get around 5% to 6% here and 13% to 40% there. So it is very, very good. Of course, you don't have to worry yet about this moment here on the 4-hour frame. You don't have to worry yet. We haven't lost any significant support levels yet. As you can see here, we still remain. And if I wanted to find, guys, some major support levels, what I would do for the short term, especially for the short term, is I would delete everything from here. I would draw the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top, and therefore I would find more support levels for the short term. And you can see that we have the 1.31, which we found some buying pressure before, 1.26 to 25, and of course we have the 0.618, the 120 to 121 around here, guys. It is the 120 around this area to 121. Okay, it is the area of support level, this one right here. Let me just draw it for you. Here we are, 1.20 to 1.21, and of course we got some other support levels, the 0.786. we don't want to discuss about them right now. 1.13, if we get a bearish, very bearish signal, then of course I will discuss furthermore about the 1.13, but for now it isn't necessary to discuss about that. Okay, because this correction here is due to the fact that we had an overbought situation for every single indicator on the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame. Of course we have, and we still have on the 4-hour frame, though we don't. And on the daily frame, we want to avoid getting a shooting star candle right here with huge sell pressure. You can see the body is at the lower shadow, and this will indicate some further bearish moments here for MATIC. But in overall, guys, it looks like a healthy correction to me for now. Okay, I will remove all the drawings because you already know the next price targets, what we should be looking for, the short-term support levels and the mid-term support levels. And Bitcoin will help out if we remain. Of course, for the Bitcoin, let me just put it right here. Here we are, guys. I will draw for the Bitcoin as a Fibonacci retracement. Let me remove the drawings right here. I would just draw one to see some important support levels from this bottom right here to this top we formed. We had a double bot top almost. Now we are going a little bit down. You can see, first of all, we have the 44,500. Second support level, 43,100. We have the 42,000, and we have the 0.618, the 41,041 around there. Okay, so we have these support levels, important support levels. In case we just stop around here, guys, and we go upwards again to the next price target, which might be the 48,000, 49,000, if we surpass. I repeat that, if we surpass the 47,000 area around there, then we are probably fine, and will help MATIC to go even higher. MATIC is ready to outperform Bitcoin any day on the weekly frame. The stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation. Always remember that. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription to take easy profits with automated sellings and buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos. Link is in the description down below for the Telegram group chat and for the monthly subscription also. And you can hit the like button, subscribe, so you help me with the daily updates. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.